physical attributes. Again, do you believe that male pageants should place a stronger emphasis on intelligence and personality rather than physical attributions?
Absolutely. Intelligence and personality adds depth to a candidate's appeal. Placing more emphasis on these traits can shift focus from superficial aspects like physical appearance to qualities that really matter like intelligence, personality, and talent. Thank you.
That was VidCon Australia. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Alright, your question goes like this. How important do you think it is for male pageant contestants to conform to societal standards of beauty and masculinity? Once again, how important do you think it is for male pageant contestants to conform to societal standards of beauty and masculinity?
I believe that masculinity and intelligence is very important in this male pageant because this platform will help us to advocate people and to show our confidence. And by that, we can create a better community and to advocate and be a good role model to the youth and community. Thank you.
That was Mr. Caloocan. Thank you very much, and congratulations for making it to the top 13.
Do you believe that male pageants perpetuate certain stereotypes about masculinity? Why or why not? Again, do you believe male pageants perpetuate certain stereotypes about masculinity? Why or why not? Go ahead.
Oftentimes, men's masculinity are being attacked as a stereotype. However, in reality, that's a different case when you are an actual contestant here in pageantry. What really is important is the personality, which refers to mindset and character of a person, which I do believe that looks should not be the only factor on which an individual should be judged, but also it must be all-rounded and in all aspects. Thank you.
That was Quezon Province. Should male contestants also be judged on their physical appearance like female contestants often are in pageants? Once again, should male contestants also be judged on their physical appearance like female contestants often are in pageants?
I think that it's just right that male pageants are also judged based on physical appearance. Just like female pageants, we are not here to just talk. We are supposed to inspire people through our actions and through how we present ourselves. And so I think it's just right that we show to people how we really are, how confident we are, and I think a real pageant king is someone who inspires not only through his words, but through how he looks. Thank you.
Goes wild. Why do you believe you should win Mr. Grand Philippines?
I really do believe that I should win Mr. Grand Philippines because since I was a kid, this is my dream. And I don't see any reason na hindi ko siya kayang gawin. Ngayon, binigyan akong pagkakataon upang makapag-inspira, makapag-educate ng maraming tao at gagamitin ko itong platform na to upang maka-share ng positivity sa maraming tao sa local man, sa Pilipinas at sa international. Yun lamang po at maraming po salamat.
That was Mr. Mandaluyong. Maraming salamat, Mr. Grand Philippines Mandaluyong. How do you think male pageants can break away from traditional norms and embrace more diversity and inclusivity? Once again, how do you think male pageants can break away from traditional norms and embrace more diversity and inclusivity? 3 seconds.
We should break stereotyping the beauty aspects. We should embrace diversity and inclusivity because in that way, we can celebrate our differences. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Cordillera. You should not win the Mr. Grand Philippines title. Again, it's a not win, alright?
I believe I should not win. I should not win Mr. Grand Philippines title. If there's another contestant who better represent the core values of the pageants. It is important to acknowledge and celebrate the deserving winners, even if it's not me. Thank you.
Very noble answer there.
How do you feel about the traditional gender roles in pageantry, where women are often expected to showcase beauty and grace, while men are judged on strength and charisma? Again, how do you feel about the traditional gender roles in pageantry, where women are often expected to showcase beauty and grace, while men are judged on strength and charisma?
I think we people should stop judging. At ituring natin ang bawat isa ng patas. Kasi pare-pareho lamang yan, lumalaban ng patas at walang lamangan. At pare-pareho lang kami representa ang aming mga sarili sa entablado. Yun lamang. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Tagi.
Question is, do you think there is a double standard when it comes to body standards for male and female contestants in pageants? Do you think there is a double standard when it comes to body standards for male and female contestants in pageants?
No. Every pageant is a platform to it. Every pageant is a platform to eradicate old concepts. For me, there shouldn't be a double standard for men and women because we have differences in life. Like masculinity, having a great physique in male and the female sex. And that would be all. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Mr. Grand Philippines, Cebu.
Do you think male pageants receive as much recognition and support as female pageants? Why or why not? Again, do you think male pageants receive as much recognition and support as the female pageants? Why or why not?
I believe female pageants is mostly known, especially before. Dahil alam natin na ang pageantry ay pambabae lamang dati. Ngunit natutuwa ako dahil ngayon nagkaroon kaming pagkakataon mga lalaki na ipakita ang aming galing sa stage at dapat din po kaming tularan ng mga bata at sa mga tao dahil pinapakita namin ngayon ang aming aking galing. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
A miracle platform indeed. That's Mr. Grand Philippines 2024. Question goes like this. How do you feel about the traditional gender roles in pageantry, where women are often expected to showcase beauty and grace, while men are judged on strength and charisma? How do you feel about the traditional gender roles in pageantry, where women are often expected to showcase beauty and grace, while men are judged on strength and charisma?
Pageantry has evolved in every way. That pageantry is not just about the physical appearance, but the heart and the things that you are fighting for. As I stand here in 2013, I do not have the best physique or the perfect face, but I am here because of the things that I'm fighting for, and that's for our OFW in Saudi Arabia, and that makes me unique in this competition, and that makes me a winner. Good evening.
Should male pageants include talent portions like female pageants do? Or should the focus remain solely on physical appearance and charisma?
Good evening, everyone. Well, talent is what makes us unique in every single way. I believe that every pageant should also focus on physical appearance and charisma, but also on the intelligence. We should all take in every single aspect to be all-rounded and to be able to be the grandest man that we can be, the grandest woman that we can be. And in that way, we can all inspire the younger generation, provide insight, and be able to give more.
That is the 30 seconds for Mr. Zambales.
Ganun nga talaga, 30 seconds po.
do you believe, or why do you believe you should win Mr. Grand Philippines? Short and simple, why do you believe you should win Mr. Grand Philippines?
Magandang gabi sa lahat. I really do believe I will win tonight because I am more than ready to represent the Philippines into the international stage. Having this leadership, good attitude, character, and professionalism. And of course, with the help and support of the Mr. Grand Philippines organization, I know I can do more and we can leave a grand and lasting impact for the society.
A very